Now we are having simple and compound statements. Now we have already discussed that a statement can either be simple or compound. Now basically what it is, what this means. Now a simple statement is a statement which encloses no other statement. This is called a simple statement. Now, for example, Taj Mahal is in Agra. Or then two is an even number. So these are the simple statements. Now compound statement. In the compound statement is a statement which can enclose both simple statement or compound statement. Now basic thing is what this means is a statement which can enclose both simple statement, compound statement. Main theme is what? A compound statement is a statement with two or more simple statements. Two or more simple statements. Now how? For example, now first simple sentence I wrote here, it was Taj Mahal is in Agra. One simple sentence. Second simple sentence, suppose this is the first simple sentence. Second simple sentence is Agra is in India. Now can we combine this? Can we combine these two sentences? The new sentence we are getting will be Taj Mahal is in Agra and Agra is in India. Now this sentence, these two are the two separate simple sentences which shows two different senses. What is Taj Mahal is in Agra? Okay, got it. Second is Agra is in India, right? Now when we are combining this one, we can say Taj Mahal is in Agra and Agra is in India. Okay, it can mean any sense. We can write it. Agra is famous for Taj Mahal, which is in India. Like this, sense should be same. So we are having number of sentences when combined to form a new sentence, that is called a compound sentence.